Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Auterion completes Artemis program, delivering long-range strike drone with 1,000-mile reach. Auterion has announced the successful completion of the U.S. Defense Innovation Unit's Artemis program, delivering a long-range deep strike drone with a range of up to 1,000 miles. The system, tested in Ukraine, features visual targeting and is designed for high-precision strikes even in GPS-denied environments. The Artemis drone, similar in design to the Shad, was developed in Ukraine, with production lines now being established in the US, Ukraine, and Germany. It can carry warheads of up to 40 kilograms and uses Auterion's Skynote and Mission Computer and Visual Navigation System to enable accurate navigation and targeting. A built-in terminal guidance system provides pinpoint accuracy during the final flight phase. Auterion partnered with a confidential Ukrainian hardware manufacturer and has also teamed with US and European firms to support large-scale production. Government evaluators approved the program after successful operational flight tests in Ukraine. These tests involved ground launches, long-range transit, terminal engagement, and navigation with and without GPS global positioning system. Software-driven autonomy is changing the nature of deterrence, said Lorenz Meyer, CEO of Auterion. Our Artemis entrant is designed for mass production and rapid deployment, enabling partner nations to field resilient autonomous strike capabilities at scale. We are ready to build the long-range deterrence force needed to tackle new challenges, especially in the Indo-Pacific. The Artemis drone is part of Auterion's wider portfolio of one-way attack drones under U.S. defense initiatives. The system runs on Auterion's open architecture and battle-tested software to ensure rapid adaptability and integration across allied defense networks. With Artemis now complete, Auterion is entering the scale-up phase with the U.S. Department of War and allied partners, aiming for co-production at mass scale. This isn't a black box. It's a scalable platform that our partners can build and evolve. Meyer added. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.